What if I told you switching to AT&T could be done in under 10 minutes, and you could keep your current phone, number, and even save money? Whether you're fed up with your current carrier or just want better deals, this guide will walk you through exactly how to switch to AT&T, step by step, with zero confusion. Let's jump in. Why switch to AT&T? So why are people leaving Verizon or T-Mobile for AT&T? Best phone deals for all users, not just new ones. Active Armor app blocks spam calls and protects your data. Unlimited talk and text in the US, Canada, and Mexico. Free texting to over 200 countries. Special discounts for military, veterans, teachers, and partner employees. Step 1. Choose the right wireless plan. Go to AT&T's official site and use their plan calculator to explore what fits your needs. Every plan includes unlimited talk and text in North America, free spam call protection, texting to 200+ countries, multi-line discounts, like unlimited for $25 per line when you bring 4 lines. Step 2. Bring your own phone or buy a new one. You have 2 choices here. Bring your current phone. Just check compatibility on AT&T's website. Buy a new device. Get access to the same deals as longtime customers. Either way, you're not locked into buying a new phone. Step 3. Keep your number. Yes, it's possible. Want to keep your existing number? First, check if your number is eligible to transfer. Contact AT&T to start the porting process. Don't cancel your current plan until the switch is complete. AT&T handles the transfer for you. Step 4. Gather your account info. Before you switch, make sure you have the name and address on your current account, your account number and PIN or password, your phone's IMEI number, dial *#06# to get it. Step 5. Back up your phone. Save your contacts, photos, and voicemails. You'll want everything ready to restore once you switch. Step 6. Confirm your old account is canceled. Once your AT&T service is active, your old account should cancel automatically. But just to be safe, call your previous carrier to confirm cancellation. Things to know before switching. You might face early termination fees if you're under contract. Clear any pending bills with your current provider. Remember to switch other devices like smartwatches or tablets. Most of the process can be done online or by phone. To check more details, check out our full post, link in the description. Final thoughts. Switching to AT&T isn't complicated, and now you know exactly how to do it. If this helped, give the video a thumbs up, comment with your questions, and subscribe for more guides from Tekzoid. Thanks for watching.